Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my Zodiac signs nail art tutorial videos for you. This time around I am getting to the next in the Zodiac signs, and that is the Leo Zodiac sign. And I have to tell you guys, this polish from Coyle polish is absolutely stunning. I already swatched it on my nails and it is technically a one coater. So as you know, Coyle polish is currently being discontinued, and if it is still available on their website, I would highly recommend you to grab this one. So this series were inspired by the Coyle Polish Zodiac Signs collection and the MoYou London stamping plates in the same collection. I can't believe that we really only have 4 more signs left after this one. I got through 2/3 of all of the Zodiac signs, and I do hope that you are enjoying this series. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs up this video for me as well. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on the upcoming nail art tutorials dedicated to the Zodiac signs, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I'm not gonna be talking much more. All the information and links are in the description box, so please check it out if you are interested in watching my previous tutorials. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, please just leave them for me in the comment section. Alright guys, so that's it for my rambling. I am very rambly today, I do apologize. But I do hope that you will enjoy the nail art tutorial and the manicure that I created using the nail polish and the stamping plate in the sign of Leo. Thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.